Christmas is around the corner, so let's see if the forex market has any gifts for us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis for all of you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about EURUSD. Now, why do I want to speak about EURUSD? Because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So first, I will be covering the technical aspect of the pair. We will then go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just printed this overextended M pattern. Now, in general, after the creation of an overextended M pattern, what you want to see is the market create a rejection to the upside to go and complete the pattern at the previous support turned resistance. Now, in this case, the previous support turned resistance is this area here, which is obviously the neckline of the M pattern itself and also the completion zone. So on the monthly, we do expect this potential move higher. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now here on the weekly, we see how we got the impulse correction. The market then tried going lower. However, at the moment we are failing. And since the market here is creating this double bottom, we could expect a potential rejection higher and for the market to complete the pattern at this previous support turned resistance. So also here in the weekly, we can expect a more continuation to the upside. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments any suggestions for new videos. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here on the daily, we can clearly see that at the moment we are stuck in a range and we are inside of a potential accumulation area from which we can then expect a rejection higher. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing, we can see in fact how even though the market has created this move to the downside, at this point, we are starting to see a lot of profit taking from all the shorts that we had from an institutional perspective. In fact, during the move to the downside, we peaked with 220k short positions from an institutional perspective. But now we see first 6.3k shorts getting closed, another 11k shorts getting closed, and another 1.7k shorts getting closed. So inside of here, we are getting some profit taking of the shorts. That is why we're ranging. But inside of here, we could easily, with the new reports, start to see once again some accumulation of longs. And if we actually get some accumulation of longs, we can then expect a rejection to the upside that we already wanted to see by looking at the monthly time frame. So there is the possibility for a rejection higher. So how we will be approaching this potential longing opportunity with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best timeframes are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we have right now to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, we could be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete the monthly M pattern that we have identified at the beginning of the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education analysis for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you get a new daily market breakdown every day showing you how to apply the strategies in actual real market. And you also get your questions answered every single day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.